Ethan Trace is a TikToker with over 2 million followers. He was one of the people who made sure that I got kicked off the app, simply for defending animals. And now he continues to threaten animal rights activists, and he continues to abuse animals. And while it's interesting that he follows me here on YouTube, it's also a bit concerning that he continues to spread so many lies. But before you listen, let me remind you that evil doesn't occur in this world just because of evil people. Evil occurs when good people remain silent, and evil is allowed to flourish. So report his video and help defend the animals. Oh, hi, Ethan Trace. What you doing down there on your knees? Oh, are you still paying people to hurt animals? Who are you eating? Is that a mother cow? Is that a bull? Or is that a brand new baby cow? Is that veal? You know, in the dairy industry, they take baby boys away from their mothers and they slit their throats. I hope you're not eating a baby cow. Either way, you shouldn't be eating any animals. You know, there's vegan options in the store. And what are you upset about in this video? You're upset that I'm asking this question to my audience? Here's the question. Yeah, that's me. And oh, where'd I go? Let's pause this here. Oh my goodness. What are you holding in your hand there? Is that another dead animal? Oof. Let's go back here. So this is me. And this is another guy. His name's Deep Vegan. And I was asking the question to my students over on YouTube. This ethical vegan hates most humans. Is he crazy or sane? Explain your answer. So, you know, that's what teachers do. They ask their students to think for themselves and to explain their answer. So this isn't me giving my opinion about this. This is me asking the question. I don't believe that we should be hurting anyone. I don't believe that we should be raping people, torturing them, or murdering them. But apparently, you don't mind those things when it comes to animals, because that's what they do in the industry. They pin down the bulls. They sexually assault them. They masturbate them to take their sperm. Then they insert it into a female in a device that's called a rape rack. You're telling your audience all the time to keep eating meat. You're promoting this. Why would you do that? It goes on here. When the Twin Towers came down, many animal eaters died. Was this a good thing or a bad thing? That's a question, Ethan. It's just a question. Are you against free speech? Are you un-American? What's wrong with you? Do you feel so guilty deep down for hurting these animals that you lash out and attack the animal rights activists that are defending them? You're exhibiting a lot of really strange behavior. And then at the end, you're threatening people?
Just for the record, I have a lot of followers who are willing to help me out, especially when it comes to, I don't know, finding out who your followers are, finding out where they work, and sending this video to their employers and letting them know that their employees love to support terrorist groups.
Nobody is supporting any
vegan activist cult
terrorist groups, actually. We are supporting defending animals. There's a big difference between discussing an issue, using critical thinking skills, and debating something, and actually advocating for violence or paying for it out of your pocket. Ethan Trace is somebody who continues to pay into the meat industry, the dairy industry, and the egg industry. So many millions of animals will die because he promotes this kind of terrible violence to his audience. I urge you to become vegan from now on. Be on the right side of history. Press the notification bell. Help me get the animals out of hell. Thank you.